Now today we are going to talk that how we can overcome this COVID-19 pandemic and the future pandemic by each stage. So let's start. Now it's time to overcome this COVID-19 pandemic. Because of this pandemic, many deaths occurred and there are many huge losses. So today we will learn that how we can overcome this COVID-19 pandemic and the future pandemic by each stage. So first, to overcome a pandemic, we should learn that what mistakes we did in the pandemic which were occurred in past, like in 1918, at the time of the Spanish flu. When people heard about this flu, they got in panic that will they get their proper accessories or not. Because of this mass gathering happened on a large scale. Then the flu spread like a wildfire. Many people got infected because of this flu. Later they died due to it. So, in this COVID-19 pandemic and in the future pandemic, we should always avoid mass gathering. Now we will learn that what we should do in the each stage of the pandemic. So, if we divide a pandemic into 4 stages, then we will learn that what problems will come, what is the situation of the pandemic, and how we can overcome the pandemic in that stage. So, the first stage is the beginning stage. In this stage, we are not knowing about the virus or bacteria. That what is its spreading ratio, what is its death ratio, will it come to our country or not, what is its symptoms, what is its characteristics, etc. etc. We are only knowing that there is an unknown virus in an unknown country. So we need to shut down all the ways from which the virus can enter in our country, like airlines, ships, cruises, etc. Now why I am telling this? Because many people travel from one country to another country. So most of them can be infected from that virus or bacteria. So if they enter in our country, then they will go in contact of many people. Then many people can get infected because of that virus or bacteria. And the virus will start spreading in our country. So we need to shut down all these ways. This thing had done by Taiwan in this COVID-19 pandemic. So they easily overcome the pandemic without keeping and lockdown. Now we will talk about the second stage. The second stage is the mid stage. In this stage, the virus had entered in our country and started spreading. But the situation is in our hands. We only need to keep a strict lockdown for 2 to 3 months. Then we can easily overcome the pandemic. But if the virus or bacteria is strong enough, then we need to keep and strict lockdown for few more months, like 5 to 6 months. Then we can easily overcome the pandemic. And we also need to follow all the precautions carefully in the second stage. Because if the government keeps in strict lockdown and we follow all the precautions carefully, then we can easily overcome the pandemic in the second stage. Now we will talk about the third stage. The third stage is the community spreading. In this stage, the virus can spread very fast. Many people can get infected because of this virus at a time. So, we need to keep and strict lockdown in all the zones, whether it is red zone, orange zone or green zone. Now we will learn that what we should do in orange zones and in green zones in the third stage. So, there should be a strict lockdown. Everyone should follow all the precautions carefully. All the places must be clean. If anyone enters in that area, he should be checked that whether he is infected from that virus or bacteria. Then, if he is infected, then we should quarantine him. And if he is not, then we should track that person. Means in how many people's contact he is going. So, in future, if that person is infected from that virus or bacteria, then we can easily quarantine all the people in whom he had gone in contact. Now we will talk that what we should do in the red zone. Now you must be thinking that there are orange zones and green zones. In that area the number of the patients are less. So why we are focusing on them a lot? Instead we should focus on red zone. Yes, you are right that we should focus on the red zone because in the red zone the number of the patients are high. So, and we also need to focus on orange zones and green zones. Because if we handle the situation carelessly of that area, then they will easily convert into red zone. Now we will talk that what we should do in the red zone. There should be a strict lockdown in all the places of the red zone. Many people should not travel from one place to another because most of the red zone are metropolis cities, means the cities which are advanced. So many people travel from one place to another in that cities. So we need to avoid it because if many people are traveling from one place to another, means they are carrying virus from one place to another. So we should avoid it. The mass gathering also we should avoid because if we avoid mass gathering, then many people cannot get infected from that virus or bacteria at the third stage in the red zone. Then we all need to follow all the precautions carefully individually. Then we need to clean all the places, public places and private places. Now we will talk about the fourth stage. The fourth stage is the community spreading has been increased and it's the vaccine time. Means there is the need of vaccine in this stage. So if the vaccine releases in the start of this stage, then it's well and good. We can easily overcome the pandemic by giving vaccine to everyone. But if the vaccine doesn't releases in this stage, then what we need to do? That we will learn now. So we need to keep a strict lockdown in all the zones. We all should follow the precautions carefully because following precaution is not a thing that is can be done, but it is needed to be done. So we need to follow the precautions carefully. Then we should avoid the mass gathering. Many people should not travel from one place to another. We should the government should improve their treatment centers. Then we also need to follow all the precautions carefully because if we think like that following precaution is not the thing that can keep us safer from the virus, then we are thinking wrong. Instead, we should follow all the precautions because if we are thinking like that, then many people will think like that. Then the virus can spread very fast. Many people can get infected because of the virus and they can die because of it. So we need to follow all the precautions carefully and individually. Means I follow the precautions, you follow the precaution. Like this many people will follow the precaution and we can easily overcome the pandemic. Government should always improve their medical centers because if they improve their medical centers, then many people can be cured from the virus or bacteria and many people can be saved from their death. This is the situation of India, USA and many countries in the present situation. Now we will talk more related to FDA on COVID-19 vaccine and treatment. So, FDA is a government organization of USA which is presently working on COVID-19 vaccine and treatment. So, in between they got the lack of remdesivir medicine with them. So, they took the EUA, which means emergency use authorized. Then WHO helped them and they again started on their work of COVID-19 vaccine and treatment. Now, this was the information that how we can overcome this COVID-19 pandemic and the future pandemic by each stage and some information related to FDA on COVID-19 vaccine and treatment. In present, many pharma companies are working on the COVID-19 vaccine and they are achieving success. So, we need to wait for some time. Then the vaccine will release. So, till that time, we need to follow all the precautions carefully and then the vaccine will release and everything can be back to the normal. Thank you.